Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and today is all about the double split maxi. It just makes you feel so beautiful. And I got on these little clog shoes with it, but this one, oh gosh, I love it. It just give you that I feel beautiful today. I feel beautiful today. So this one is one that I made. It is a double split black maxi, and the faux sleeves with the triangle shape neckline. But I am in love with these. Like, I really love these. What's shockingly, guys, is that I don't know, from the angle of my camera, every time, like, people, like, when they used to come to my classes and they see me in person, they be like, oh my God, you're not tall at all. And I'm like, tall? People be thinking I'm like 5'8", 5'9". I think I got a long torso. I think my legs is long, like how my torso is made. My son is made like that. Like, his legs start way up here somewhere. So, guys, actually, I'm not tall at all. I'm only 5'4". And when I wear heels, you know, I look a lot taller in heels. But I'm not tall at all. I'm 5'4". So I'd be shocked that a lot of people always say, how tall are you? I'm like, tall? Are you not 5'8", 5'9"? I'm like, no, I'm 5'4". So I get that a lot, guys. But I want to show you guys this other maxi. And we thought that we was going to go do a photo shoot outside today in Minnesota. Unfortunately, it is like 40 degrees out there today. It was 70 yesterday, and it's 40 today. So it is extremely too cold to go, because I'm trying to get my Instagram up and popping so I can start marketing a lot of my stuff so that I can maybe bring the people that's interested in getting dresses and stuff custom made. I thought I was going to get to the fabric store today and start making a couple things. It is freezing out there. And I'm supposed to have my granddaughter later on tonight because it's her mom's party. So it's freezing. But okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here are a couple still shots of this black V-neck double split maxi. I think this is really sexy. Kind of remind me of